What's the meaning of boogie board? Boogie board. Boogie board.
Boogie board. Boogie board. A boogie board is a type of small surfboard that is primarily used for riding waves close to shore. They are generally made out of foam, which makes them lightweight and easy to maneuver in the water. Boogie boards are popular with people of all ages, as they are a fun and relatively safe way to experience the thrill of surfing. Riding a boogie board involves lying flat on the board and using your arms and legs to steer and control your position on the wave. Overall, boogie boarding is a great way to enjoy the ocean and get some exercise at the same time.